This is a quick video on how a commercial cleaning service can create a social media ad using metaphors. And this can apply to commercial cleaning, janitorial, carpet cleaning, tile cleaning, specialty service. And what we're going to talk about in this video is creating a social media ad. It could be a landing page for AdWords also, or even used for SEO purposes. And what we're going to use is what's called a metaphor. And basically a metaphor is just you don't literally mean it. You're just trying to get a point across. So we try to do that through, a headline and a picture. And that's where we're going to start up here is finding the right cleaning service becoming a balancing act. And then we have a picture of someone that is trying to balance. And so you're going to ask, well, what does this mean? Why would I do this? And this is often how a manager feels that when they're a general manager, an office manager of a business with 20, 50 employees, this is how they feel like it's a balancing act, finding the right cleaning service, finding the right landscaping service, because they have 50 other things to do and they have their own clients they want to focus on, so they don't want to focus on cleaning the building. And that's kind of the metaphor. That's the concept. We're trying to get into that mindset of how a manager feels, that they feel like this is, they're juggling all these balls. It's a balancing act. So that's the picture, the headline, and that's what that's the message we're trying to get through. And then from here, we're just going to go real quick. This part is where we would list our company name, uh, talk about the services. This is where we would put our services. Down here, this is more of a mission statement. This is where I would plug in a slogan, mission statement, something along those lines. Nowadays, it's always a good idea to plug in some safety related comment, sentence, paragraph. And then from here, what should we talk about? Well, this is what I would call a general, and I believe in rotating ads anyways. So this would be like a general. This would be one that I would run at least a week, a month in any rotation, because this is a very general that you're going to meet the team. That would be a future one. And then, we're going to talk about our hiring practices. We're going to give you our training checklist and show you how we train people. We're going to give you our safety rules, what services we provide, how we supervise and inspect. And again, we just plug in the services that we focus on, because these are a lot of the main questions that people think about before they hire a cleaning service. It doesn't really matter if it's carpet or office cleaning. They want to meet who you are. They want to see who you are. They want to know, where are you finding these people? How are you training them? How are you supervising them? Those are like big issues. And then here, safety rules is just a good thing for nowadays to kind of plug that in, that to let them know you're aware. So this, and then down here, last but not least, of course, we want the call to action. Yes, send me more information about your services. And then you would click on this and they would fill out a form then to get an estimate. So this was a quick video. I tried to keep this one as quick as possible, and it is about how cleaning services can use a metaphor in your landing pages, in your social media ads, to get your point across, to get your message across.